This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking down the workbook so output matches intent. Save a separate copy in the folder you control. Once done, you can revert if needed. Make sure print areas, page breaks, and orientation are set because PDFs capture layout exactly. If a sheet is too wide, set scaling to fit one page wide or adjust column widths. This prevents clipped data. Also, remove or hide any debug columns and ensure headers or footers are ready before moving to export. You now export with intent. Go to File, then Export or Save As and pick PDF. Choose Active Sheets if you only need one sheet or entire workbook to capture everything. Once selected, set quality to standard for printing or minimum to reduce file size. Make sure to select the correct pages and include document properties if those metadata matter. You can check Open File after publishing so you immediately inspect the result. If there are multiple print areas, verify each before finishing. You finish by opening the PDF and scanning every page for layout shifts, missing fonts, or image compression. Make sure headers and totals appear. If something's off, go back to page setup and adjust scaling or page breaks, then export one sheet at a time to isolate the problem. When fonts or graphics fail, embed fonts in the export or use a PDF printer driver as an alternative. If problems persist, update Office or export via a different PDF tool and compare results to identify the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.